All she's walking in her purpose. I can feel it. You know what I'm saying? Like, I can feel it. I can't explain it, but I can feel
Matthew chapter 28. After the Sabbath, at dawn on the first day of the week, Mary Magdalene and the other Mary went to look at the tomb.
CMS and somehow get it there. So we were doing pretty well until we got Doge, and now we're trying to figure out how do we rebuild differently, which is kind of where AI comes in for us. We're using it to plug a lot of gaps. So I'm glad to share those stories today. Stacey, you want to go ahead and go next?
I am Stacey Lanier. I'm the CEO of Scorpion Innovation. We focus on cyber and IT capabilities. It's nice to meet everyone.
Elisa?
Yes, hi. Very nice to meet everybody. My name is Alyssa Lakisic. I joined a couple of minutes late. I had to restart my Zoom, but I'm glad I didn't. I sort of listened to everybody. So, yeah, I'm brand new on the business development here at Web First. I think Laura, you know Sanjay Patel. So, yes, we're working very closely with him. So, at Web First, we really are specializing in web app solutions. These include content management, UX, UI design, web design, system integration, everything really around Drupal, and we are a partner there. So very excited to be here to learn. I'm also brand new to the industry with all the Dodge changes. I say it's
I'm actually very new to, I guess, this side of government contracting. I supported businesses in with their accounting that had government contracts, and I just created a new business. morning. Y'all, today is probably going to be a very low... What the... I can't get my words together, y'all. This camera... Let me not blame it on the camera because I be struggling with words on the regular. But today is probably going to be a real chill vlog day. It's rainy. It's cold. My Aunt Mary is coming. And so probably all of the hormonal changes and everything. But I'm just feeling very... I want to be cozy today. Very different from yesterday, which was very chaotic. Yeah, so today I'm just feeling kind of calmer and just more, cozy, if you will. So I'm going to edit the video that I'm going to post today, and it's early. So it's 11:14. So I'll get that video up in the early afternoon. Let's see how that works. So far you guys are showing up for the videos. Thank you. I'm seeing, I'm seeing what I feel like I want to see, especially with posting every day and people showing up every day to watch these videos. So thank you again. So yeah, momentum is going. I did a networking event this morning. It was online, but it was good. I got great, fantastic information. I am excited about that, excited to move on the information, excited for the connections that I made and just kind of like nurturing those connections. So yeah. And then I got some things floating around my mind that are not, it doesn't feel good to me. And I'm in a space where I'm really honoring my feelings. And when things don't align with me, I'm not going to force them. And I'm supposed to be doing a video for 1 3 Ways Wednesdays today. But I'm just not in the zone. I'm not in the mood. So yeah, I'm going to skip it this week. I'm just not there. And then the theme is summertime, or Memorial Day, and it's just rainy and dreary, and it just doesn't feel like summer. But anyway, I can't find the energy to do it, so I'm not gonna do it. So I'm honoring that, and I'm respecting my feelings around that. But yeah, anyway, I'm just gonna work on editing this video, probably building some stuff. I don't know if you guys can hear it in the background. You probably could. That's my washing machine. That washing machine is so doggone loud. I can hear it throughout the whole entire house. But I'm washing my clothes. I'm washing my thrift finds from yesterday. Do I have any other? Yeah, I'm washing my thrift finds from yesterday. So that's where I'm at. That's what I'm doing today. It's like I said, it's 11. I need to get me something to eat. I haven't eaten yet, and I also need to take my medicine. So there's that. But anyway, y'all, I'm super, super stoked and excited about this networking event that I had. I'm so happy that I found it and I attended it. I feel like, there's some great alignment there and information. And I'm just looking forward to pushing that, my business more. I am super I'm so excited about this networking event. So that's one of 2 for this week. I have to double check and see if I have other. Let me see. Oh, I think that's social. So just 1 so far. I'll see if I can find something else. I did save a couple of events, but I wasn't sure if I was going to do it. So I'll check that. Y'all, did I tell y'all? I didn't tell y'all. I'm looking at my calendar right now, and you know I have improv tomorrow in my improv class. So last week, which was the second week, but my first week because I was sick the first week, I found out that I'm gonna have a showcase. I'm gonna have a showcase at the end of the class. I don't, y'all, I mean, besides like excitement and, you know, kind of like, you know, the scaries a little bit. Oh my gosh, I had no idea that there was going to be a showcase. So I have to see who I'm going to invite to my showcase. And I'm actually looking forward to it. I'm actually looking forward to class tomorrow. This has been, y'all, she's walking in her purpose. I can feel it. You know what I'm saying? Like, I can feel it. I can't explain it, but I can feel it. Yeah, I'm so grateful. Anyway, y'all, let me get some more work done. Let me get some damn food. I'm hungry. You know, it's so funny. Side note, I'm hungry, but if I don't force myself to eat, I won't get up and eat. Where does that come from? Like, as you get older, is that something like you gotta force yourself to eat? I don't know, it's very weird. Anyway, so I'm about to go force myself to eat. But yeah, y'all, eat, work, and I'll see about checking in with y'all later. I'm not really sure if there's anything that I'm gonna be doing fantastic Cole today, or you know, vlog worthy. But if I find something, I'll show y'all something. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. All right, so I will call y'all back later. Hey, y'all. I never made it out of my pajamas today. It's a very slow day, very slow vlog. I did accomplish some things. I did my laundry. So now I just got to put it away. I folded it. I got one more load in the dryer and one load finishing up washing, and then I just got to put the stuff away. But anyway, y'all, I'm ending the night editing this vlog that needs to go up today, so I never did edit it for this afternoon. So it's going to go up around the same time that the other vlogs have gone up, and that's okay. And I'm ending it with some pho, because on cold, rainy, gray days, you just need a big hug. And pho, listen, no crumb, no broth, no onion will be left behind. This reminds me, I need to get some really big soup bowls because I don't have any. But anyway, y'all, that's it. Thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. It was very slow, but this is real life. Every day is not up. And even though my energy wasn't down, or I wasn't having an anxiety attack or anything, it just was one of those days that was just pretty slow. And those days are welcomed and okay. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed it. I'm gonna enjoy this pho, and I will see y'all mañana. Bye. These bars are not doing. Y'all, I just feel like I had something in my teeth, so I really didn't want to do. Anyway, y'all, a fork and a spoon, because we need both. Ooh. Mm, 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 mm. 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 Bye.